Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I wanted to show you how to make a massage oil, and I'm gonna be putting up all the ingredients on the screen for you guys, and hopefully you guys enjoy this little video that I'm about to show you guys. It is really moistened. I'm going to be using this 1 ounce bottle here because just the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using this 1 ounce bottle. So you're going to be needed this little funnel here because honestly, if you have to pour the oil from especially this big bottle here, I don't know, have a smaller bottle, it's gonna be a mess. So it's good to have this little funnel here, and you need a syringe also. And I'm showing you all these beautiful oil that I'm using, guys. If you're going to be using more, like if you want more, just adjust the ingredients that I'm using right now. And it's such a beautiful oil, guys. I made this before and made this into a big batch, and it lasts me a while because you don't need a lot. So how I use this oil is, honestly, I use it on my face, I use it on my arms, and I use it on my legs because it smells so good. Sometimes I use it to rub my ear ends. I don't actually put it all the way in the top. I just massage the ends of my hair, and because if you should put too much of this oil in your hair, it's gonna make you look like a wet rat. um, I just put it on the ear ends, and then what I'll do, if I'm gonna be pressing my hair or curl my hair and stuff like that, it'll be well moist, and that's how I use this oil. And also, guys, I'm gonna be, like I said, I'm gonna be putting up some information on the screen for you to follow, and I hope you guys enjoy this little oil that I'm putting together. So go ahead and guys and try this. It is so moist. You can use it on your husband, you can use it on your kids. It's really a beautiful oil. So you can see these ingredients here that I'm showing you. So just go ahead and adjust the ingredients like I said before, and you will find that this oil, you will never live without it. And it is so good for your fingers if you have dry hands and really need some moisturizer. I honestly don't use body cream, face cream, or anything like that in the winter time. I go ahead and I use my massage oil because I just feel like I get more benefit from it than getting creams, lotions, whatever, especially lotion. I can't tell you when last, guys, I use lotion on my skin. Honestly, lotion is not a part of my routine anymore. If I have my legs are dry, I run and grab my massage oil or something. And I also, what I do, you can check out the rest of the video, guys. I make a after shower body oil. You can go check that video out, see if you can find it. And I show you how when you come out of your shower, you just spray yourself with that after shower oil, and you're good to go. Like, I'm not even bothering to like cream my skin anymore. I just use this body oil, and it smell up the whole bathroom when you're done. You don't, if you even go into bed and you spray yourself with this body oil, you don't need perfume, guys. You smell so good. As always, guys, thanks so much for watching. Thank you for my new subscribers. I really appreciate you so much. Please check out the rest of the video, and don't forget to tell a friend, guys, and a friend and share the videos as well. Thanks so much for watching, and hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.